Blonde hair shining so bright, eyes are brown like the night. Got ambition in her stride, climbing high, reaching wide. On this path she won't stop, morals bend as she hops. Every step, every fall, driven by the tower's call. Rachel's on fire, climbing higher and higher. She'll do what it takes, for her dreams she never breaks. Choices made in the dark, leaves a trail, leaves a mark. Manipulated and sharp, her ambition isn't art. In the shadows she schemes, chasing more than just dreams. A complex soul so extreme, she's the queen of the theme. High above looking down, she smiles, no sign of frown. No regrets, knowing why, to the top she'll never mind. On this path you won't stop, morals bend as she hops. Every step, every fall, driven by the tower's call. Oh, Rachel's on fire, climbing higher and higher. She'll do what it takes, for her dreams she never breaks. Choices made in the dark, leaves a trail, leaves a mark. Manipulative and sharp, her ambition isn't art. In the shadows she schemes, chasing more than just dreams. A complex soul so extreme, she's the queen of the theme. And the queen of the theme. Oh, in the shadows she schemes, chasing more than just dreams. Complex soul so extreme, she's the queen of her theme. High above looking down, she smiles, no sign of frown.